Hi everyone, I'm at the beautiful Pacific Ocean in Bodega. I'm going to title the name of the video where I really am, but here's some rock cliffs. There's Rosie videoing right now. And here's some rocks that are beautiful. And then as we get to the ocean, it's just beautiful. As we get to the ocean, you can see how beautiful that is. Come and get in the video, Rosie. See how beautiful that is. Well, I'm waiting for my friend to get in the video, but there she's videoing herself. That's not her. That's her. She's videoing. That's Rosie. Come and get in the video. Here's my friend Rosie.
Hello, everybody.
We're by the ocean. What's this called again? Bodega?
This is Bodega Head here, and it overlooks the Pacific Ocean.
Yep.
And on the other side ahead of us, you can't see it, is the Bodega Bay on the other side, where I go sport fishing all the time out of here.
Cool. Yeah, and you catch crab, Dungeness crab, and
salmon, cod, everything.
Cool. Okay, well, thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll upload this later. Bye.